The American dream. It's an ideal that has inspired generations, a vision of prosperity and success that transcends time, a house, a family, and financial security. These are the cornerstones of that dream, the symbols of a life well lived. For many, that dream includes becoming a millionaire. It's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and opportunities that wealth can bring. It's a goal that may seem out of reach, but it's more attainable than you think. With the right mindset and strategies, you can climb that hill and reach the summit. It's not about luck or shortcuts. True wealth is built on a foundation of hard work, strategic planning, and consistent effort. It's about hard work, smart choices, and a relentless belief in yourself. You must be willing to put in the hours, to educate yourself, and to stay motivated even when the going gets tough. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. Those promises of instant wealth are often illusions, distractions that can lead you astray. Those are for fools and gamblers. Real wealth is not a game of chance, it's a deliberate and calculated journey. This is about building wealth the right way, brick by financial brick. Each decision you make, each step you take, adds to the structure of your financial future. It's about taking control of your money and your future. By managing your finances wisely, you can create a stable and prosperous life. The journey starts in your mind. Your mindset is the most powerful tool you have. It shapes your actions and your destiny. You need the heart of a marathon runner, not a sprinter. Building wealth is a long-term endeavor that requires endurance, patience, and perseverance. This is about commitment, discipline, and a burning desire to achieve financial freedom. Set clear goals, stay disciplined in your approach, and never lose sight of your ultimate objective. Are you ready to do what it takes? The path to financial success is challenging, but with the right mindset and determination, you can achieve the million-dollar dream. Building wealth is a journey, not a race. There will be setbacks, challenges, and moments of doubt. But here's the secret. Consistency is key. It's about making small, smart choices every single day. Think of it like building a muscle. You don't get ripped overnight. It takes consistent effort over time. The same goes for your finances. Don't get discouraged by slow progress. Celebrate the small victories. Every dollar saved, every debt paid off, every investment made is a step towards your goal. Remember, even the longest journey begins with a single step. One of the most powerful tools in your arsenal is compound growth. It's like magic, but instead of rabbits and hats, it's about money making money. Here's how it works. You invest your money. That money earns interest or dividends. Then you reinvest those earnings. Over time, your money grows faster and faster, like a snowball rolling downhill. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts invested consistently can add up to significant wealth over time. Let compound growth work its magic for you. Saving isn't about deprivation. It's about freedom. It's about having the financial security to pursue your dreams, weather storms, and live life on your own terms. Start small. Even $50 a month adds up. Make it automatic. Treat it like a bill you have to pay every single month. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. You'd be surprised how much you can save by making small changes like brewing your own coffee or eating out less. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar working for you, not against you. Section 5. Budgeting. Taking control of your money. A budget isn't about restricting your life. It's about taking control of your money and making it work for you. It's about knowing where your money is going and making conscious choices about how you spend it. Track your spending. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a good old-fashioned notebook. Identify areas where you can cut back. Set realistic goals. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually work your way up. Remember, a budget is a tool, not a tyrant. Use it to your advantage. Section 6. Investing. Putting your money to work. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals and secure your future. By understanding the basics and making informed decisions, you can make your money work harder for you. Investing may seem intimidating, but it's easier than you think. With the right knowledge and resources, anyone can become a successful investor. Start by educating yourself about the different types of investments available. It's about putting your money to work for you so you don't have to work as hard for your money. Start with the basics. Understand the power of compound interest and how it can significantly grow your wealth over time. Consider low-cost index funds or mutual funds. These are great options for beginners because they offer broad market exposure and are managed by professionals. These funds pool your money with other investors, giving you instant diversification. Diversification helps spread risk and can lead to more stable returns over the long term. Don't be afraid to seek professional advice. A financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the complexities of investing. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized investment strategy based on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. They can also help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's important to have a long-term perspective and not get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Be patient, stay disciplined, and let time work its magic. Consistent investing, even in small amounts, can lead to significant growth over time. Remember, the key to successful investing is to start early, stay informed, and remain committed to your financial goals. Section 7. Side hustles, fueling your financial engine. Boost your income and accelerate your journey to $1 million with a side hustle. It's not about working yourself to the bone, but about leveraging your skills and passions for extra income. Explore your talents. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Turn your passions into profits, whether it's freelance writing, graphic design, or dog walking. The gig economy is booming. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, and TaskRabbit offer flexible ways to earn extra cash on your own schedule. Every extra dollar you earn is another dollar you can invest and grow. Section 8. Real-life millionaires' inspiration from the trenches. In this segment, we delve into the lives of individuals who have turned their financial dreams into reality. These are not just stories of success, but tales of perseverance, grit, and unwavering determination. Don't just take my word for it. The journey to financial freedom is paved with real-life examples of people who started from humble beginnings and achieved remarkable success. Countless ordinary people have achieved extraordinary financial success through hard work and smart choices. They have shown that with the right mindset and strategies, anyone can turn their financial situation around. Take Grant Cardone, for instance. He went from struggling with debt to building a real estate empire worth millions. His story is a testament to the power of resilience and strategic thinking in the world of finance. Or consider Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, who paid off over $40,000 in student loan debt in just 7 months. Through her blog, Making Sense of Sense, she now earns a 6-figure income, helping others achieve financial independence. These stories prove that financial freedom is within reach for anyone willing to put in the effort. They show that with dedication, smart financial planning, and a bit of creativity, you can achieve your financial goals. They started with nothing but a dream and a relentless work ethic. Their journeys were not easy, but their determination and hard work paid off in the end. Let their stories inspire you to chase your own financial dreams. Remember, every great achievement begins with the decision to try. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or build a business, the first step is believing that you can do it. So take inspiration from these real-life millionaires and start your journey towards financial freedom today. Section 9. Overcoming obstacles, staying the course. The road to $1 million isn't always smooth. You'll encounter potholes, detours, and maybe even a roadblock or two. But don't let setbacks derail your dreams. Expect the unexpected. Life throws curveballs. Be prepared for financial emergencies by building an emergency fund. This will help you weather storms without derailing your progress. Stay focused on your goals. Don't compare your journey to others. Everyone's path is different. Focus on your own goals and celebrate your own victories, no matter how small. Section 10. The joy of financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom isn't just about the money. It's about the peace of mind, the opportunities, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. Imagine waking up without the dread of debt. Imagine pursuing your passions without financial constraints. Imagine having the resources to help others and make a difference in the world. That's the power of financial freedom. It's not about living a life of luxury, but a life of choice, purpose, and fulfillment. Section 11. Start today, change your tomorrow. The journey to $1 million starts today. It starts with a single step, a single decision to take control of your financial future. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Start small, make a budget, automate your savings, invest wisely, side hustle like a champion, overcome obstacles with grit and determination. Celebrate your victories along the way, believe in yourself, stay persistent, and never give up on your dreams. The power to change your financial future is in your hands. Start today and watch your financial dreams become your reality.